One of the things that really excites us here at Crockers is when we get a phone call from a really happy customer that they've had the job done and it looks amazing, and then they invite us to come and actually have a look. It's just really, really satisfying for us.
This particular stairwell had a lot of imperfections. We needed a way to cover it up. And I knew that was something that my husband and I could not do. When I first walked into Crockers, I immediately knew that I was going to receive the service that I needed. They truly care about your needs. I was quite overwhelmed with what would be the right choice.
When you first come in here to Crockers, we ask that you don't make a decision straight away. Come in, have an open mind, come upstairs, have a look at the wallpapers, go downstairs, have a look at the paint colours and the paint finishes and all that sort of stuff, and just let things sit in your mind for a little while.
Tracey recommended using the services of one of their interior decorators. She came and saw the house, brought back about 5 books for me to go through with her, and then we came across this amazing wallpaper. It turned out to be perfect because it gives a bit of character and just an extra touch. I think it's really important to support local family-run businesses because you know that they're going to give you the service that comes from the heart. With Murray and Tracey and the rest of the team, they really looked after me. They were always returning my phone calls, always responded to my emails. It actually feels like a home now. It feels warm and cosy.
When you're ready for your next decorating experience, come into Crockers Paint and Wallpaper Miranda, located at 1/206 Box Road. We want to see you happy too.